Hi, I'm Susan Elliott. I'm the Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for South and Central Asia and my Asia. I'm very happy to be in Turkmenistan to participate in this 15th annual Oil and Gas International Conference. As you can see by the large attendance we've had here today, there's a lot of interest, not only by U.S. companies, and I'm very pleased to say that we have very good bilateral relations with the government of Turkmenistan, and we see this as the potential for a very important environment for U.S. companies, not only in other sectors. As I mentioned, we have other, in my remarks, we have other American companies who are doing business here, and we look very much forward to expanding our opportunities for our energy companies. Today I wanted to emphasize the willingness and participate in Turkmenistan in the energy sector. We have vast experience in developing energy resources all around the world, and I think U.S. companies provide a good partnership for two governments work very well together. So the focus of my remarks was to emphasize how willing and able we are to expand our development here, and also to expand the already productive and warm relationship between our two countries. Successful and an extremely useful and productive way to introduce international companies to the opportunities here in Turkmenistan.